This is a good answer for what causes an earthquake. There are some really good positives. First of all, we've got the idea that two plates are moving. That's really important. It doesn't matter so much about the direction. It could be side by side, as these plates are, one moving one way, one moving the other way. It could be plates coming together, so it could have the subduction zone with the oceanic crust going underneath the continental crust. So the sliding direction doesn't matter too much. Sometimes they will get stuck. That's a good point. So they will get stuck and energy builds up. In there, it would be good to see why they get stuck. So you could say due to friction. When the plates finally give way and start to move again, energy built up is released. That's really key. That's a really important part of the answer. Energy is released. That's what an earthquake is, this release of energy. A good use of terminology in the form of seismic waves. So to make this answer a little bit better in the paragraph, we should reference to the focus, which is the point in the ground where the earthquake originates from, and then the epicenter, which is the point on the ground directly above the focus. So in the paragraph, we would need to see the word the focus being in the ground and the word epicenter as the point above the focus on the ground.